The sizing protocol. How to measure the correct shoe and foot sizes of your patient. The sizing protocol is based on UK sizing. Before recording the foot scan session, it is advised to measure your patient's foot and shoe size. The Phits insoles have two components, and you must add both sizes to the design software correctly. The size of the top cover is equal to the shoe size of the patient. Because shoe brands often use different sizing tables, we advise measuring the patient's shoe size with the Phits sizing templates. Test the templates in the shoe of the patient and write down the size. Then continue with the foot size of the patient. This will be the size of the 3D printed base part and must be a perfect fit with the patient's foot. Ideally, the foot size is 1 UK size smaller than the shoe size. You will see that this logic is also implemented in the design software. However, measuring is the best way to be sure, so test the template on your patient's feet, both left and right. The template must fit the foot's length, so look for the size where the toes are at the edge of the template. Write this information in the remarks of the patient's file. And click Save. Add the measured shoe size in the first panel of the design software. In the second panel, you will see that the software presumes a base size which is 1 UK size smaller than the shoe size. Double-check the left and right sizes with your measured foot sizes and overrule if necessary.